Welcome to the Boloco training video. In this video we're going to learn how to cut a white onion for caramelized onions. As we talked about in other videos, onions have multiple layers. The first layer is a papery layer that tends to flake off and get pieces of inedible onion skin into other foods. So when you're working with onions, be very careful not to let that paper product, the onion skin, get into the foods. So keep a clean board, clean off your onions first before you start cutting them. All this stuff really should come off first, so when you put a knife to the onion, it doesn't split, crack, and end up all over the board. You can use a paring knife to help pull that last little bit of paper off, and that's ready to cut. The caramelized onion cut is very simple. What we're going to do is we're going to cut the stem side off. We're going to leave the root intact. We're going to split the onion in half. Face down on the flat side. See, and these are the little bits of paper that we're talking about. You want to make sure that those don't get into your food. So keep your board clean. Split the onion in half. Then we're gonna peel it. White onions have a tendency to have less usable flesh, less usable vegetable than a red onion. So you very well may need to take 2 or 3 layers of onion off. To make sure that you're getting down to the usable onion portion. See how this is like bendable? It looks good from an initial review. From a first glance, it looks good. It looks like a good layer of onion. But when you play with it, you realize it's leathery. So we don't want that. That won't cook down in the pan. Keep a dry towel close by, dry clean kitchen towel. Keep your board wiped down and free of debris. So now you have 2 halves with a root intact. So we're going to cut these in a half moon cut, going this way. Looking at about a 1/4 inch cut, all the way down to the root. Right? And we flip it, a couple more cuts there, and that's it. That is caramelized onion cut.